Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have some things to show you from DPClubs. Thank you, DPClubs, for sending some stuff for me to show everybody. Quite an array of things here, just eclectic all over the board. So let's get into it. Let's show you what we have. I saved one toolkit to show you what a toolkit looks like in case you've never seen one. If you're new to diamond painting, hi, welcome. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. If you're coming back, thank you. Anyhow, look at this. It's a pretty mandala. I love the printed backgrounds now. I mean, they're so much nicer with a printed background than the plain white background. This one has 11 different shapes. Look, it tells you to cut it out. All right, so look at all the specials around here and throughout. Oh, this is going to be really pretty. Let's look at the colors. We need to see those colors. What do we have? All right, here we go. Let's do the rhinestone stuff first. Well, actually, it's not rhinestones. That's interesting. Okay, I thought it was going to be like all rhinestones, but it's not. These are regular drills. There's a white, an off-white, I should say. Hello. Zoom in, focus, do something. White, blue, yellow, orange. Wow, I would not have, well, I guess that should be some orange around there, I guess. So that's our, and then there's another blue. Regular drill. I'm surprised by that. I thought they'd be rhinestones. A lot of these white pearls and some blue, smooth. That's what I'm looking for, Mindy. Speak smooth. All right, what else do we have? We have some pretty little marquees. Those are very nice, like those. We have some teardrops, blue teardrops, pretty. We have some more blue marquee. They match those, they match these, don't they? Yeah, well, they're not the same color. Anyhow, and then we have these fun little things. So which side is up? The gold side is up. The crystal side is down, but those are fun. I like those. Wow, okay, that was different. I did not expect that. So that's what we have for that one. It'll be pretty. It'll be very pretty. It's just gonna be a little different with the mixed media. All right, I got this guy. I had to get this guy. I mean, come on, really? Look how cute he is, right? He's a little white tiger. I love me some white tigers. I have many stuffed white tigers around my house. It's just one of my things. This has 9 colors, and it's on a black background, so everything's gonna boom, pop right off that black background, right? It sure will. All right, let's see what we have. I just stepped outside to let my dogs outside, and it's going to be hot today. It's only 9:30, and I was like, whew, it's warm out there. All right, 2 bags of the clear, a red, a blue. That's like a purple pink, purple pink. This is actually blue. It's hard to pick it up. There you go. Maybe you can tell there. See, it's blue. A black, green, and a light blue. That will be super pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. I want to do that one. I'll do that one. Okay, what else do we have? All right, let's go for the big guy. We got a big one here. We got a big one. We got a big one. Okay, don't laugh. Don't laugh too loud. Hold your containment. Hold it in. Are you ready? Oh, look it. Isn't that cute? I don't know if I got this one already. It almost seems that I did, but I love it. If I find that I have it twice, I'll be giving one away. But how cute. Our little chicken baker, rooster. He's a rooster. He's a rooster baker. And he's got some little chicks helping him out. I don't know what they're making. Some bread, some rolls. I don't know. He's got his flour, his mixing bowl, some milk and eggs. Isn't that funny? A chicken is using eggs. You're using your offspring to make bread. Anyhow, it just cracked me up. It's so cute. I just had to throw this one in there. And it's like a big one. It's 40 by 40. It's got 22 colors. It's got this like countryish border around it. There's another name for that. I can't think of it. Anyhow, it's cute. I'm not going to open up all these drills. I mean, look, we'll look at them. Blue, gray, green, brown, blue. brown, 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 rust, yellow, you know, blue, rust, yellow, red. That's what we got. Those are our colors. All right. Funny though, huh? Funny, funny, funny. I might have that one. I don't know. I know I've looked at it. If I haven't gotten it, I've definitely looked at it. This one comes with some of those black tweezers. I held this one out to show you that sometimes you get these little black tweezers for special drills. I've never used these black tweezers. I mean, first of all, look, if you can tell, look up close. Look, my black tweezers are bent at the tip. How would that be helpful? Anyhow, so this is a mandala, another mandala. Got two mandalas this time. I think this one's all rhinestones. Okay, but we got butterflies and flowers. It's just pretty, and it's not on a white background. Okay, it's on a very, very pale blue background. This one has 18 different shapes and stuff, and that's probably why I got it, because look at specials, special, special, special. It's gonna be just as many specials as rhinestones, maybe more. I don't know. Let's see. There's a lot of special drills in this one. Alrighty, here we go with it. Here we go. All right, we start with a beautiful purple, a clear, a blue, a pink, a green, another pink, and orange. That's it. There's your rhinestones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rhinestones. All right, the rest are specials. Look at there. I love these flowers when they throw these in there. I love those flowers with some yellow ones. Beautiful teardrops, iridescent, love that. Some little marquees, those are pretty. Some more teardrops. Ooh, teardrops and a hook. We got us a hook. Oh, I love it when you get random funny things like that. That's hilarious. Look at those. I bet you one whole, oh, I think that's gonna go around the outside. All around the outside of this is gonna be those pretty greens. Then we have some smaller blue ones. Those are pretty too. We have some marquee. Oh, look at these guys. Bam. Flower centers for sure, right? Then we have some pink teardrops. We got some little purple teardrops. And then we have some green. And these are not just a rhinestone. These are a little bit larger. How many specials was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 more specials. Yep, more specials than rhinestones. Love it, love it. How pretty. Okay, what was your favorite? What do you like? You like the chicken using his offspring to make bread? I can't stop laughing about that. Anyhow, my sister, okay, this is information you probably don't need. My sister will mix up eggs that she has, so when she gets too many eggs, and she'll cook them up and scramble and whatnot, and she feeds them to her chickens. I always think that's so weird. Anyhow, enough for that. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you come back and see more videos in the future. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.